In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in Freshbooks. If you're a small business owner or freelancer, this guide will help you streamline your invoicing process by incorporating sales tax with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the appropriate section within Freshbooks. This could be invoices, estimates, bills, or a similar option found within the left navigation menu. This area is where you'll manage all your financial documents. Next, initiate the process of creating a new invoice. Look for and click on either the Create New or New Invoice button, depending on what's available in your version of Freshbooks. This is where you'll input all the necessary details for your transaction. Once the invoice screen is open, begin by filling in the client details. It's crucial to get this right, as these details will be essential for accurate billing and record keeping. After you have your client's information entered, proceed by adding all your line items. These could be products or services that you're charging for, complete with individual descriptions and rates. Now, under each line item's rate or total, you should see an option that reads Add Taxes or simply a tax field. This is where you'll need to click in order to start setting up your taxes for the invoice. To create a new tax entry, you will enter the basic details required by your business and location. Start with the tax rate, which is typically expressed as a percentage. Next, designate a tax name. It's often a good idea to be descriptive here, such as state sales tax, to avoid any confusion later. If your local jurisdiction requires it, you should also input the tax number or ID. This might not apply to everyone, but it's important to check your local regulations to ensure compliance. Once you've got all the necessary details filled out, select Apply Taxes or Save to store your new tax information. This step is key as it ensures that your tax settings are applied not only to the current invoice, but are also saved for future use. This way, you won't have to re-enter the same tax information each time you create a new invoice. Finally, review your invoice to make sure everything is correct. Once satisfied, don't forget to save the invoice to ensure all your efforts are captured and stored. By completing these steps, you've effectively set up sales tax in Freshbooks, making future invoicing tasks much smoother. And there you have it, a straightforward and simple way to incorporate sales tax into your Freshbooks invoices. Remember, keeping this information organized and up to date will help you and your business maintain good financial health. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.